Did you know that one man with elephants almost brought down the greatest empire in history? In 218 BC, Hannibal faced an impossible choice: get 90,000 men and 37 war elephants across the deadly Alps, or give up his dream of defeating Rome. Everyone said it couldn't be done. The mountains were too high, the cold too brutal, the paths too narrow. But Hannibal understood something about obstacles that most people miss. When you can't go through a wall, you don't quit, you find another way. He chose the route no one expected, lost half his army to avalanches and freezing temperatures, but he emerged where Romans never thought possible. His strategy wasn't just about war, it was about mindset. By doing what seemed impossible, he shattered Rome's confidence and proved to his troops that no barrier is truly permanent. The ancient Stoics taught this same lesson. The obstacle in your path becomes the path. Great leaders don't look for easy roads. They create new ones where others see only walls. Your mountains are waiting,